are you feeling? You're candidate number 4. And we know that among all the 15 delegates, it's really hard to stand out. Ano yung ginagawa mo para mapansin ka ng judges and ng audience?
Nagpapapansin po.
Ay, so papansin ka. Ano ginagawa mo para mapansin ka?
Kailangan ko talaga, hindi kasi palaging nasa spotlight yung isang kandidata. So, behind the spotlight, kailangan mo maging totoo sa sarili mo. And that way, mapapansin ka ng maraming tao kasi hindi mo kailangan maging iba.
Tama naman. And I like your beauty. Kapag nakasabi, parang siyang si Tia Words ba? Yes. Sino ang idol mong beauty queen?
Ikaw po.
Eme, to si Ganit. Hindi ako judge. Host lang ako. Nag-aaral ka pa din?
Yes po. Dapat po second year college na ako and gusto ko pa sanang course is psychology which is related sa advocacy ko. Since hindi po ako pinalad, grade 12 pa lang po ako, incoming grade 12 student kasi po nagte-therapy po ako.
Nagte-therapy ka. Are you comfortable sharing the reason why to the audience?
Yes po. Actually, related din po siya sa advocacy ko, which is mental health awareness and accessible healthcare services. Kasi po, as someone na naka-experience po ng PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder, napaka-important po ng awareness. And I believe awareness is important, but awareness alone is not enough po. We must create an access, we must go beyond conversation po.
Thank you so much for sharing your story to the people and for carrying your story on this very stage and the platform. Now I hope that you put that to good use. Please pick your question. Again, same with the other candidates, you have 90 seconds to answer. Alright, candidate number 4, your chosen question is, what role does unity play in building a progressive Taytay? Again, what role does unity play in building a progressive Taytay?
I believe unity is the foundation of cooperation and civic participation in our community. From the very beginning, my residency has been questioned, but I stand firm in the belief that representation is not solely defined by where you came from, but where you choose to serve with sincerity and genuine heart. And I believe if we all be united, we can resolve any issues that we have in our municipality. That's why I believe everyone, we must stand with compassion and unity within our municipality, because at the end of the day, we are all as one. We are all united Taytayanos. Thank you.
Thank you so much.